What's up, lovelies? Today we are doing a little unboxing or unbagging. I've got a new to me subscription service that we're going to talk about. It is called Splendies. If you're not familiar, Splendies is a monthly underwear subscription package that offers sizes from small all the way to a 4XL. Now for the small to extra large it is $13.99 a month, and you can cancel at any time, but they do offer 3, 6, and 1 year packages that give you a bit of a discount. When you're going into the plus size, starting at 1X to 4X, it's $16.99 a month, and also same option, month to month, cancel anytime, but if you do the 3, 6, or 12, you get a bit of a discount. Now they do offer a couple of different options. You can do no thong, some thong, or surprise me. I'm pretty sure I went with no thong, not my style. So it just comes wrapped in this cute little yellow tissue paper. It's got the little Splendies logo, and let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so I am loving the colors. So these look to be, I think even though I said no thong, I still got a pair, which I guess is okay. We can be a little adventurous. So my first ones here are super cute. They're of cotton. They've got red and white stripes, and they've got this lace detail across the top. It's super soft, which I really like. It's very stretchy. Of course, these are thong underwear. So that's the first pair. The second pair is going to be a super cute, like mint green. It's also the same really soft cotton. Like, I have to say, this is like those really nice shirts that you get that are like that super nice high quality cotton. That's what these are. And it's got the gray lace detail along the top, and then of course along the leg opening. And then my third pair is also a pair of just like bikinis. I like the pattern on these. These are pink, and then it's got a blue and darker pink flower. Same super soft cotton as well, and then the blue lace on these. So overall, I really like all 3 pairs that I received. Like I said, I'm not a huge thong person, but you know, we can experiment. Okay, so all of these have like a MSR pricing on it. This pair is tagged as a Splendies brand for $12. The other 2 pair are both Miss Vicky's Intimates, and they are also listed at $12 each. So I would say the price point of those regular price is about what you would pay at places like Torrid or Lane Bryant. And then of course you're getting all 3 pair, which would be what, $36 for $16.99. So overall, a great price. So overall, I think this is a super fun way to get new underwear each month. All of these look like they're really well made. I like the patterns, the colors, so I'm excited to keep trying this out. I think this is a great way to get some variety in your underwear drawer. If you're like me, I tend to just kind of buy the one brand, the one style, the one color, and it's kind of gets a little monotonous. So this is a good way to put some fun back into your wardrobe. So if you guys are interested in trying out Splendies, I definitely will put a link in my bio, so make sure to click that. And thanks so much for watching.